Hi everyone, this is KT here. Today is December 3, 2025. It's the Wednesday, third trading day of the week here. So let's take a look at FinVis, how the market is doing. I would say, looking at the technology sector, it's taking a hit here, bearish price action. The rest, mix in different sectors here. So let's see. There's some Microsoft slip here and S&P 500 gains on Fed rate cut expectations. So let's see how's the watch list is doing here. So in the watch list, I'll look at VIX, the CBOE volatility index, minus 1.5%. So generally, price action is good. It's a bullish price action here. So significant moves here. I can see that Pfizer plus 2.1%. Then we have Poet plus 70.1%. This is a huge move for Poet here. So I think that's the reason why the trades that have been placed today. So what trades I have done prior to this video? Actually, I wrote my Poet $6 call, $6 put from December 19 to January 09 here. So it's about 0.12 credit. I think that's all for today. I'm actually monitoring for CRM earnings and then to see what moves to do for CRM. Next week is the Fed decision of whether to cut rates or not. So I'm refrain from putting in more trades to expire next week. And let's take a look at Poet. Is it a good trade to do for the $7 strike price? So here I have 19, and then December 19, I have $7, 1.7 to buy back here. So if I were to roll it 3 weeks here, is it a good roll? 1.3.7. So it might be a good roll here, but the spread is a bit too high here. So let's take a look here. The spread is also too high. So if I go to 16, slightly better. Maybe I can do the $7 roll. Okay. I think I will do that. So here, going back to Poet, I'm gonna close this. Oh, $7 roll is about 1.7. Okay. Back 1.7, 1.9. It's about 0.2. Mm, it could be a good thing to do also just to gain the extra, probably from 19, another 1 month to get about 0.2 credit from doing so. Okay. Mm, let's wait for this first because rate decision next week, right? So it might be closer to the strike price. Then I will do the roll. Then I'll get more premiums for doing so. Okay, I think that's all for today. So remember to like this YouTube video and also subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell. And have a great day, everyone. Signing off here.